Yes, good morning to you, Chris. So we are in for, well, more of this, hazy, hot, and humid conditions. So you can see what it looks like already this morning. Isn't that just everything you need to know about this day? Clear skies in Central Park, 77 degrees. Winds are out of the southwest at 5 miles an hour. We've got temperatures that range from the low 60s to the low 70s for most. We're at 60 right on the nose for Liberty, 73 for Tenafly, 71 for Spring Lake, but 77 for Central Park. So everybody else is fairly uniform. And then obviously New York City a little bit hotter. Temperature trend still hot. We were at 89 degrees on Saturday, 92 degrees yesterday. We are expecting to be back in the 80s today, tomorrow, and Wednesday, but mid and upper 80s. And with the humidity, it will certainly feel like it's a 90-degree day today, tomorrow, and Wednesday. So be prepared for the heat and the humidity. So we'll deal with both over the next couple of days. We'll also deal with several chances for rain, but as you can see from the temperatures, it doesn't really cool us down for a while. So your SkyCast satellite and radar is pretty quiet. For this morning, we do have obviously quite a bit of moisture off to our south and west, so we'll be tapping into that very warm, very moist air. So for us today, we do have a chance for some pop-up showers and even some thunderstorms this afternoon. We're at about a 30% chance, but this is how FUTURECAST is handling it. So this is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Things are already plenty hot, plenty humid. We're likely to see some pop-up showers and thunderstorms. It's kind of isolated, right? So it's not this widespread event, but still a possibility. And anywhere where that develops this afternoon could see some heavy downpours because we do just have a lot of moisture in the atmosphere. Tomorrow, we're going to see obviously more widespread shower and thunderstorm activity potentially for your Tuesday afternoon. So that looks like more locations will see some rain. But even as we head into Wednesday, still a chance for some rain, although it looks a little bit lighter. When it's all said and done, how much rain do we pick up? Well, it depends. For some, maybe a little more than half an inch. For New York City, it could be a little more than an inch. And then we head to places like New Brunswick and really any place where we get particular thunderstorm cells that set up, we could pick up as much as 2.5 inches of rain between today, tomorrow, and Wednesday. So you may want to grab an umbrella, kind of keep it handy. What happens late week is we do watch a cold front move through the area. The circulation around high pressure to our north will pull in some much cooler air. We're talking 10 to 20 degrees cooler, and then things will be a lot less humid. So it will be a drier and cooler air mass, and you'll start to feel that on Thursday. The temperatures come down, so does the humidity, and then the temperatures drop by 10 degrees Thursday into Friday, and we'll be in the 70s for this weekend. And with that, I'll send it back to you.
Elise, thank you.